Good morning guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be special because I have something really nice from Sony. On my desk I have the brand new XB400 extra bass wireless earphones from Sony. They come with some really cool features which we'll be talking about in this video. And if you're wondering why do I have two of these boxes, well, you guessed it right, I'll be giving away one of these awesome Sony earphones to a lucky subscriber on the channel. We'll talk about the giveaway details at a later part, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Alright then, let's get started. The Sony's new XB400 extra bass wireless earphones come in this sort of box packing. As I've mentioned before, they're Bluetooth 5.0 earphones and offer a crazy battery life of around 15 hours on a single charge. That is awesome, right? We've got the extra bass branding everywhere on the box. And oh, at the backside you can actually see the earphones. The company says that these offer overwhelming deep bass while maintaining clear vocals at the same time. We'll have to see about that. Okay, that's it, there's nothing much written on the box packing. So these earphones come in two different colors, black and blue. I'll unbox both of them and show you in this video. First, let's start with this blue one. So this is how the inside looks like. The product comes nicely packed on a tray and we've got some document at the top. Let me show you. Must be a user guide, just make sure to read that for all the info on the product. And here are the new earphones from Sony. Let me just take them out of the box. Wow, I really love this deep blue color on these earphones. And damn, these things feel so lightweight, weigh only around 21 grams. Let me just keep them aside for now and see what else we got in the package. There's a user manual, few pair of extra ear tips in different sizes, and a USB Type-C cable for charging. Yes, it also supports quick charging. So these were all the items we got in the package. Now before I show you these earphones in detail, let me also unbox the black color variant. So here they are, the new XB400 extra bass neckband earphones from Sony. Blue color on the right and black on the left. I have to say I really like this blue color model from my first look. Which one did you guys like? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. The earbuds have a very small and minimalistic design, but don't be fooled by its size because these buds pack a punch. They're also magnetic, so you can attach them like this whenever not in use. Talking about the build quality is really good. They look premium, the body is entirely made of high quality plastic and has a Sony branding on both of them. Even the ear tips are in blue color to match the entire theme. Coming to the cable, it's got a flat wire design which is tangle resistant and runs down to these two blocks, one of which has the Sony branding and some info regarding the product, while the other one is the inline remote control. You've got three buttons, volume up, media play pause and volume down. The quality of the buttons is also nice. And just below that you've got a status LED indicator. Going to the other side, there's a rubber flap under which we've got a USB Type-C port for charging. Yes, Type-C, have I told you that this thing also supports quick charging? And lastly, there's a microphone on the bottom side. That's it, those were all the available controls and ports on it. So yeah, we've talked about the design and the build quality so far. Now I'll tell you about the audio quality. But before that, let me also quickly show you the black color model. Looks pretty much the same, just the difference is in color. But I personally like the blue color variant. Alright then, now let me tell you about the sound and the comfort. The XB400 are quite lightweight and super flexible and durable. You can completely fold them, bend them and throw them in your bag, nothing's going to happen. They fit perfectly in my ears and feel quite comfortable for long time usage. The noise isolation is also great. Coming to the sound, the audio quality was pretty nice on the XB400. It's a closed dynamic type in-ear headphones and come with 12mm neodymium drivers. The mids were crisp and clear, they sounded very clean and the vocals were also warm and mellow. The main highlight on these earphones is the bass. I just loved the bass on them. It felt punchy and powerful, but at the same time it was not overwhelming the other frequencies. It just had the right amount of bass, not too much, not too less. And finally coming to the treble, the high frequency response was also decently good. It was producing smooth treble without much harshness, so you can listen to them for longer periods without tiring your ears. Talking about the TRHD was less up to 90% volume level, beyond which you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also loud and satisfying. Alright, now let me tell you about the battery. The battery life was amazing on the XB400. On an average at 70% volume level, I was easily getting around 14 to 15 hours of continuous music playtime. And the best part is, it also supports quick charging. A 10-minute charge offers you around 60 minutes of playtime. So that was my review on the XB400 extra bass neckband earphones from Sony. They're really good for the price. The build quality is nice, they're comfortable to wear, audio quality was good, and the battery life was also excellent. The only thing I felt was these earphones are not sweat or water resistant, as the company has not mentioned anything about that. They cost around 3,330 rupees and I would definitely recommend for that price. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So it's finally time for the main thing you've been waiting for. Let me tell you the giveaway details. As I've told you earlier, I'll be giving away one of these awesome XB400 to a lucky subscriber on my channel. To participate, all you need to do is be one of my subscriber and follow me on my social media like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. I'll leave all the links in the description box below. And that's it guys, you're in! This contest will run for about 2 weeks from today. And as usual, the winner will be chosen from the comment section and announced on both my Twitter as well as YouTube. Well, that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.